Yo, what's up, Geo Nerds? Welcome to another episode of Geo Narrator. Today we're diving deep, like real deep, into the Earth's layers. But we're doing it with a twist. Because let's face it, who wants to just listen to boring science when we could be memeing our way through it, right? So let's break it down. Literally, starting with the Earth's layers. First up, the crust. The crust is like the pizza crust of Earth. It's thin, crunchy on the outside, but you still need it to hold everything in. This is where we live, guys. It's about 70 kilometers thick, and it's made up of rocks and minerals. Just like that pizza dough you've been eating after one too many TikToks. But hey, this is where things get, well, interesting. Below this, things get pretty spicy. Next up, the mantle. This is like the melty, gooey cheese and toppings under the pizza crust. It's mostly solid, but the deeper you go, it gets so hot that it starts to behave like a liquid. So if you're thinking of taking a shortcut through the Earth, maybe don't. Lava's not the kind of cheese pull you want in your life. The mantle is about 2,900 kilometers thick, so yeah, that's a lot of cheese, metaphorically speaking. Then we hit the outer core. It's like a lava lamp on steroids, liquid iron and nickel swirling around at over 4,000 degrees Celsius. It's hot, it's messy, it's where Earth's magnetic field is generated, and trust me, it's probably way hotter than any TikTok beef you've seen. It's about 2,200 kilometers thick. So, yeah, if you want to drill through that, best bring your heat resistance. Now, the inner core. If Earth was a jawbreaker, this is the solid candy center. A solid ball of iron and nickel that's about as thick as the distance from New York to LA, packed into a space that's only about 1,220 kilometers wide. It's solid because of the crazy pressure from everything on top of it. It's literally the OG of the planet's core, because despite all that heat, it's the one thing that doesn't melt. It's like the ultimate glow-up, from liquid lava to a solid nugget of rock. Respect. So now you know the Earth's structure in meme terms. We've got the thin, crunchy crust, the melty mantle, the lava lamp outer core, and the solid nugget inner core. Kinda like a geologic onion, but, you know, way cooler. And hey, understanding the Earth's layers doesn't have to be boring. You just need to meme your way through it. Keep exploring, keep learning, and maybe throw in a few more memes along the way to make it fun. If you enjoyed the geological meme ride, hit that like button, share this video with your fellow geology geeks, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun Earth science content. Catch you next time on Geo Narrator.